Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set work profile on Android. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to open your settings on your phone, of course, and scroll down at the bottom until you can see the Google option. So just click on it. Okay, this one. And then scroll down again until you can see the setup and restore. So just click on it. Now click on the set up your work profile, this one, and then click on the next option at the bottom right corner of your screen. And then allow this device to take pictures and record video. So just click on the allow option. So just scan the code provided by your IT admin. So if you don't have the code to scan, you can just enter the code manually. So just click on the enter code manually at the bottom left corner of your screen and then type out here the code and then click on X. Okay, so that's it. That's how you can set work profile on Android. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.